Hello class 6, welcome back to another session of computer class. This is your Avjit sir and today I'll be presenting you the topic Presentation Visual Effects Part 2. Now in this session I'll be explaining you how to navigate through slides. Navigating through slides. To move to different slides in a presentation, follow these steps. Number 1, click on Normal View button and then click on the desired slides in the slide view. Now this is the Normal View button, and this is one of the slide layout which is called Title Slide Layout, and this is the text box where you can enter the text or the title of the text. So suppose you have got a particular heading you want to insert, so you can insert in this box, and the subtitle you can insert in this box. Okay, so this is one of the example of slide layout. Or you can also select from here. These are the different types of slide layouts. This is the title slide, this is title and content slides, this is section header, this is to content slides. So there are 24 slide layouts. So from here you can select any one slide layout to design your slides as per your requirement. The second method to select the slide is by clicking on the Slide Shorter View button, and from the displayed slides click on the desired slides. So this is a Slide Shorter View button where the slides are displayed in the form of small size. All the slides that you have designed is displayed here. So from here also you can select the slides to design for your presentations. Slide design. Now how to design your slides, how to change the background color, how to change the text color, how to insert images, all this you can do in this slide. So that is slide design. So there are different ways. Now you can see the examples in your right hand side, how you can insert pictures, how you can change the background color, all these things you can do it. So we have to follow certain steps. Now to enhance the visual appearance in the slide, to make the look of your slide more presentable and attractive, you have to follow these steps. So first you have to click on the Design tab and select Page Setup. Now page setup means you have to increase or decrease the size of your slide. You can also change the orientation, that is either you can change it to landscape or portrait. So the default settings of the slide is the slide size on screen show is 4:3 ratio. Now you can change the this ratio, either you can make it bigger or smaller. Orientation. So the slide you can change the orientation to landscape or portrait, but by default it is landscape. Notes, handouts and outline are portrait by default, so you can make it to landscape also. So these are the default settings of the slides. Number 2, click on the design and select theme and change the theme of your slides by clicking on the Design tab. Click on the Design tab and select Theme Options, and from here you can change the color of the scheme. Number 4, click on the Design tab and select Themes, and from here you can change the font size, font and font style. So font means like it is Times New Roman, you can change it to Arial or you can change to Garamond. You can change the font style, that you can make it bold, italics and underline, and you can even change the size of your text by making it bigger or smaller. Next is you can click on the design and select theme, and from here you can change the effects of your figures. You can make it shadow, you can color the border of your slides. So effects of figures and images of the selected theme, you can change it by clicking on the design tab. Click on the design tab and you can change the background color of your slide also. Choose the color, solid or gradient, transparency, picture, texture fill. All these options are there in the background, so you can change it to according to your choice. Click on the close to apply change only to the current slide. Now for example, you have created 5 slides and you want, say in a particular slide you want the red color as your background. So if you want on that current slide to put the red color and not in other slides, then you have to select the current slides. But say if you want to put the red color in all the 5 slides, then you have to select apply to all, then all the slide will have the red color. Slide layout. Now as I have said, there are 24 slide layouts, and from here you can select as per your requirement any of the slides. Now while presenting a topic, you may need images, you may need a chat table and so on to support the text or to create a visual impact. So it is important to decide the position at which these different kinds of illustrations can get inserted along with the text. Slide layout will give you a better idea on this. So there, if you say if you want to insert to content, then you have to select this slide layout. Now if you want to put say content with the caption, then you have to select this slide layout. So according to your requirement, you have to select the slide layout to enhance the presentation of your slide. To position the text, images, clip art, smart art, graphics, charts and so as in a slide, follow these steps. Click on home, select slide and then choose layout. So layout option you will get it from the home tab. Number 2, choose the appropriate slide layout. Which slide you want, you have to select it out of that 24 slide layout. To insert table, charts, click on the appropriate icon. Number 4, click on the insert tab. And number 5, choose from various groups like tables, illustration, links and text to insert the different object. To insert text, suppose you want to insert text, how you are going to do it? You have to click on the insert tab, select text and then choose the text box. Then drag corner points of the text box to change its size. So you can increase or decrease the size of your text box. Click within the box to type the text. So this is what you have to do. Click on the insert tab, and when you click on insert tab, you will get the text box option. You choose this text box and then you have to format the text box. So select the text box and then click on draw tools and then select format and then format the selected text box. So this is the text box. Now you can see the small round buttons are there. You can drag it inside to make it small and you can drag it outside to make it big. And my slide text, that is the text that you have written inside the box, and you can change the background of the text box color and you can even change the text color also. To format text in the text box, select the text and click on home and choose font or on home paragraph and format the font, size, color and style of the selected text. So when you do this, it looks like this. You can change the background color, you can change the text, you can increase the size of your text. All this formatting you can done, and this is what the outcome or the output will be when you ultimately see the text. So it looks more presentable. So these are some of the interesting things which you can do in the PowerPoint to make your presentation much better and more presentable to the audience. Hope you all have understood the lesson. We will soon meet in the next session. Till then, take care. This is Avjit sir signing off. Thank you.